Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 6th Subject English.
Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back. The previous class I have given composition 2. Have you finished? I hope all you are written in your composition note and studied. In this class, we are going to learn lesson 3 in grammar book. All of you take your grammar book and take lesson 3. The topic of the lesson is quantitative, emphasizing and numeral adjectives. Again, I repeat, quantitative, emphasizing and numeral adjectives. Now, all of you take your grammar book and take page number 12. Okay. Are you ready? We can start now. Fast. Dear students, take page number 12. Adjective. What is meant by adjective? Describe a noun in a sentence. Shortly, we can quote. First, we can recall what is meant by noun. Naming word in the sentence known as a noun. Clear? So, adjective is a description of noun. An adjective is a word with a noun to describe the part of the person, animal, place or thing which the noun names. It is also used to tell the number, quantity or quality of the noun. The previous class already we have seen types of noun. So already we have learned demonstrative, interrogative and exclamative adjective. Okay. So listen, look at the following sentence. There are 4 sentences given. What are they? Jack is a naughty boy. I don't like that man. Mom gave me 5 oranges. There is little time for preparation. See, in this all 4 sentences, there is a bold letter. It is known as a adjective. See, naughty. What kind of the boy, Jack? He is a naughty boy. You describe about a Jack. The naughty is adjective in the first sentence. I don't like that here. That. Which man? That man. So here it refers that person. So it is known as a demonstrative adjective here. And mom gave me 5 oranges. How many oranges? 5. And fourth one, there is little time for preparation. How much time? Little. So now you can get a clear idea about what is adjective. I already told the 5th standard book you will learn demonstrative, interrogative and exclamative. If you have any doubt, you can refer that book. Just we can give the outline or recall now also. Demonstrative means it mention this, that, these, those in the sentence known as a demonstrative adjective. And interrogative is used to the question word in the sentence known as an interrogative sentence. Of course, exclamatory it is known as exclamatory mark. That word it is known as a describe the feelings in the sentence. That is known as a exclamate. Okay. So here we are deal with quantitative, emphasizing and numeral. We can learn today. First, we can see quantitative adjective. Adjectives of quantity. It is also known as adjectives of quantity. So, how much of the thing it means? See, there are 7 sentences given in this page. We have had enough exercise. Here, enough is known as a quantity. Okay, because it mentioned the time. He has no sense. How much it is? No. It is known as a quantity. And third one, you did not eat any rice. Here, the quantity is any. He has little intelligence. Here, which is a quantity of adjective? Little. He showed much patience. Here, much is the answer. He has lost all his wealth. Here, all is mentioned as a quantity. And 7th one, the whole money was spent. Here, the whole is a quantity. Okay, clear students? How much of the thing it is known as a quantitative adjective. Okay, now turn page number 13. Page number 13, the continuation of the previous page. 8th one, I ate some rice. Here, some is a refer as quantitative adjective. And 9th one, take care of your health. Here, the great is known as a quantitative adjective. And 9th one, he climbed his half share of the booty. Here, the half is mentioned as a quantitative. And 11th one, there has not been sufficient rain this year. It is known as a sufficient. That word known as a quantity. Okay. So, what is meant by adjective of quantity? Again, it answers the question of how much. This you can mention. Okay. If you keep it in your mouth, how much. And second type, emphasizing adjective. Own and very are used to emphasize the possessive adjective of a noun. Own is used to emphasize a possessive adjective. See the fourth sentence. I am my own master. Here, own. Mind your own business. He saw it with his own eyes. You will be beaten at your own game. These all the four sentences. The word own is known as a possessive adjective. Sorry, own is known as emphasize a possessive adjective. And very is used to emphasize here now. This is a very thing we want. There is stands to this very day. We can say this is a very good. These like words is known as a emphasizing. So get well soon. You will be very good. These like the very, the own, it is known as the emphasizing adjective. Okay. And third type, numeral adjectives or adjectives of number. The numeral, the name, you can know numer means number. So how many persons or things are mean, in which order the person or thing stands. There is 9 sentences given. See one by one. All men must die. Here all is known as a numeral adjective. And most boys like cricket. Here most is a numeral adjective. Few cats like cold water. Few is a numeral. And fourth one, the hand has 5 fingers. The answer is 5. Here are the some ripe mangoes. Some. I have taught you many things, many. There are no pictures in this book, no. Sunday is the first day of the week, first. There are several mistakes in the answer written by you, several. These all the sentence, that word, the number, it describe the whole sentence. So that is known as a numeral adjective. So simply we can say it answer the question for how many. How the quantitative answer the question for how much. The same thing numeral answer the question for how many. Don't confuse, you should get clear. Okay. And the numeral adjectives are 3 kinds. Definite numeral adjective and the indefinite and a distributive. So these we can see in the next page. Okay. So definite numeral adjective, the exact number 1, 2, first, second, these words are known as a definite numeral adjective. Okay. This is also known as the 1, 2, 3 are called as the cardinals. First, second are called ordinals. Now turn page number 14. Page number 14. Points to remember. A cardinal denotes how many, and ordinal denotes order of the things in the series. Ordinals do the work of demonstrative adjective. Okay. Numeral adjective has 3 types. Already we see in the previous page. Definite numeral adjective, indefinite and distributive. In this page we can see the second type and third type. See, indefinite numeral adjective do not denote an exact number. Okay. Because it not say exactly 5, 4, that like don't say. Like they said all, no, many, few, some, several, these, and or some indefinite means they not mention the correct exact number. Okay. In the all the sentence you can easily find out which is the indefinite. Okay. And third type, distributive numeral adjective refers to each one of the number. See in the 7 sentences, the first one either, and second one either, and third one neither, and fourth one every, and fifth one every, sixth one each, and seventh one each. See, either pen will do. Here distributive mention all. Okay, one of, each one of. So either pen, not any pen. Either side, not any side. And third one, either statement. Neither means neither or nor, any statement. So these like words are known as a distributive numeral adjective. Clear students? Numeral adjective, it has a type of adjective. It has subtitled, it has 3 kinds, that is known as definite, indefinite and distributive. Of course, definite means exact number, and indefinite not mention the exact number, and distributive it tell each one of that in the sentence. It mention everyone. Okay. And points to remember, the same adjective some, all, no, enough may be classed as adjective of quantity or adjective of number according to their use. See, they're given one box in page number 14. Adjective of quantity, I ate some rice. Here it mentioned some as a quantity. He has lost all his wealth. All. It is also known as quantity. You have no sense. No. And he did not eat any rice. Any. I have enough sugar. Enough. Sometimes it will change according to their use. So that is only they given some examples. A number. Some boys are clever. It mentions according to the usage. So some it is known as here. It is not a indefinite. It is adjective of number. And here also all. There are no. So for every sentence there is two different purposes of use. Okay. So clear. So that's all, my dear students. Lesson 3 has completed. I give the notes for page number 15 through PDF. Before that, you first you try to write the own answer. After that, you check whether you are written the correct answer or not. Okay. Page number 14, test yourself exercise. The first row and say whether the underlined adjective in the following sentence are quantitative, numeral, or emphasizing or distributive. First, you read carefully all the sentence and which line underline which word. After that, you mention which type. And second one, fill in the blanks with the suitable adjectives, quantity, numeral, or emphasizing. You can write. Okay. So that's all. So today class over. All of you complete this book back exercise today. Thank you.